We want to go now to our Mike Seidel. He's been reporting on all the weather in the Dallas area. And Mike, what did you face as that line came through?
Well, the line hasn't come through here yet. In fact, it's knocking on our door. There you saw the flash of lightning. We're in Corsicana, which is about an hour down I-45 from the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And you can see on the radar some very heavy rain getting ready to come in, plenty of lightning. But that storm, which has been tornado warned for quite a while, the warning just expired, and they have not even issued a new warning, tornado or severe thunderstorm otherwise. So based on the radar, at this point, we're not going to be under any kind of warning. We'll see if they issue a short fuse warning here shortly. You mentioned, Carl, the other tornado warning south of us in Limestone and Field counties. That's the one that produced the damage that Reynolds Wolf has been showing us in Round Rock down off I-35. So storms approaching the I-45 corridor. We're in Corsicana, and the heavy rain's going to come in here in the next few minutes. A lot of lightning, some gusty winds, but again, just got a new radar scan. We're going to be in the very heavy rain momentarily. But the good news, at least in this area, is they haven't even issued, the Weather Service hasn't even issued a severe thunderstorm warning. So we'll keep you updated, Carl. We're going to stay right here. We've got a safe place if needed, and we can head inside here if the lightning gets too close. But that's the status here in Navarro County right now. No current warnings, but a lot of rain, some gusty winds, and plenty of lightning coming our way in the next few minutes.
All right, Mike. And a lot of lightning now moving into Corsicana. That is where our Mike Seidel is located. And Mike, I'm sure you're getting quite a light show now.
Yeah, we're in it now. This is a line of storms we've been watching for 2.5 hours. They moved through the I-35 corridor, producing tornadoes. This was tornado warned for a while. In fact, the adjacent counties, including Limestone, they were under a tornado warning until about 15 minutes ago. But now, as it moves through, the tornado warning expired, and the Weather Service out of Dallas did not issue even a severe thunderstorm warning. We're thankful for that. There's going to be heavy rain, as you can see right now. You can look off into the distance under the lights and see the wind blowing the rain. We're getting gusts upwards of about 40 to 45 miles an hour, and the horizontal rainfall, and there has been some lightning. But based on what I'm looking at here back at the Weather Channel, most of the lightning right now is not near us. Most of it seems to be around us, and especially to our north. So we have really been given a gift right here in Corsicana and here in this part of Navarro County, because we don't have a tornado warning, we don't have a severe thunderstorm warning, we've got some rain and lightning, and faring much better than we've seen certainly upstream, certainly around Round Rock, north of Austin, where we've seen Reynolds Wolf showing the damage. We've had damage in a couple of towns, including Bowie, north and west of Fort Worth. So we've had damage. We even had some injuries in the Round Rock area. But here, as the line comes through, we got the wind and the rain, Carl, and some lightning, and it basically like your summertime thunderstorm. But we're still under that tornado watch till 10. Once this line moves through, then we're going to get into the more stable air, and we're going to be okay for the rest of tonight. There may be some more rain and thunder, but we'll be out of the threat for tornadoes, large hail, and any kind of straight-line wind damage. So far, these wind gusts here would not produce any damage or any power outages. Carl?
All right, Mike, good to hear. And let's get a look at the radar one more time and show you what else is going on. We want to go to Mike Seidel. He's in Corsicana right now. And Mike, just a slightly less instability where you are, and maybe that was just enough to keep those storms from getting really bad where you are.
Yeah, it's really hard to hear you because of the heavy rain and just the noise out here with the rainfall. What I can tell you is this is what we've seen over the past 10 to 15 minutes. Torrential tropical downpours. The wind has backed off now. We've had wind gusts, I'd estimate, around 40 miles an hour. I just checked the airport, which is about 4 miles just south of here, and they reported a peak gust so far of 33. So we'll see if we get a higher gust. But this is rainfall at least an inch an hour. The good news here is the storms came from I-35 to the I-45 corridor where we are. The warnings vanished. We had a tornado warning to the counties just southwest of us, adjacent to us. And right now here in Navarro County, it's just a heavy rain. And then once this moves through, the severe threat is over. Well, we've got a new tornado watch that includes areas east of here, east of I-45, all the way to western Louisiana. We'll keep you updated. More on that and the additional tornado warnings coming up next. Stay with us.
Also go back into North Texas, well outside the Dallas area in Corsicana. We have Mike Seidel. Mike, the line of rain came through. It was really coming down. You could barely see, the street behind you for a bit.
Yes, it was blowing and raining horizontally, and in fact, we had two sections of wind gusts. When it first came through, then the wind backed off, the rain continued to come down, and then we had another couple of minutes where the winds, I'm estimating, gusted to 40 miles an hour. We haven't had an observation from the airport about 4 miles south of here since 13 after the hour, and that wind gust then was 33 miles an hour. I feel confident it gusted higher than that, and the rain continues to come down. We look off in the lights and notice one thing, it's not blowing horizontally anymore. If you've been watching the previous half an hour or so, I mean, we were getting whipped out here. It was like a minimal tropical storm. And you can see on the radar, we still have some more rain coming up from the south-southwest, but the severe threat has ended. All the warnings are well to our south now and south-southeast. So although the threat has ended for severe weather, we're going to have some rain around for the next couple of hours. We also have the new tornado watch, which goes till 3 a.m. east of here into parts of Louisiana. Stay with us this evening. We'll keep you updated, and we will keep you safe.